Rawr! I'm an elephant. Hey guys, Mr. Baines here to talk about equivalent ratios. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. First thing you need to do, add it to your table of contents. Do that right now. Go ahead and pause it. All right. So these are our learning objectives. We're going to test ratios to find out whether they are equivalent or not. These are the learning targets we'll be meeting from this video. All right. Equivalent ratios are numbers with the same, or ratios that have the same value. So 1 to 4 is equivalent to 2 to 8. Because when you do them, do the division problem, you get 0.25. 3 to 2 is equivalent to 27 to 18, 1.5. 5/7 is equivalent to 35/49, because it's equal to this long decimal. All right, write equivalent ratio. Write a tip chart for equivalent ratio. Go ahead and pause it. All right, make sure you add it to your index as well. All right. So there are two different ways that you can determine if ratios are equivalent. If they have a common factor, so 4/5, if you multiply 4/5 by 3, you get 12. If you multiply 5 by 3, you get 15. So they have a common factor. That common factor is 3. You could also do the cross product. So take 4 times 15 and 5 times 12. If those two numbers are the same, then your ratios are equivalent. So 4 times 15 is 60, 5 times 12 is 60. So they are equivalent. Try this out for yourself. Write your answer in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. All right. The correct answer is true. True. Okay. The common factor is 3, or if you do it the cross product way, 9 times 6 is 45. That's not right. I'm sorry, 54. And 2 times 27 is also 54. So the answer is true. Do the same thing with these two fractions. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, the correct answer is false. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. They are not equivalent. All right. Javier has stickers on the front of his folder. Use the stickers. This is the front of his folder. Use the sticker to answer the question. Which two ratios below are equivalent? Soccer balls to clowns, stars to wiener dogs, baseball guys to smiley faces, wiener dogs to baseball players, or soccer balls to smiley faces. Go ahead and pause it. Okay. Soccer balls to clowns would be 3 to 2. Stars to wiener dogs is 1 to 3. So 3 to 2, 1 to 3. Nope, that one's not. How about 4 to 6? 4 to 6 and 2 to 3 are equivalent. All right, what about 3 to 4? No, those two are not equivalent to each other. And then 3 to 6, not equivalent. So just these ones and these ones. Okay. You can also make a data table of ratios to find equivalent values. So first, you determine the ratio, 1 to 3. 2 to 6. Okay, then you figure out these numbers. This would be 3 to 9 and 4 to 12. All right, please try that with this one right now. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, the correct answer is 600. Because 2 times 200 gives you 400, and 3 times 200 should give you 600. Okay. 400 to 600 is the ratio. All right. Try that with this one as well. Which one is the correct data table? Go ahead and pause it. All right. The correct answer is C. C, 1 lap for every 3 laps Avery swims. So you take the top number, multiply by 3. 13 times 3. 9 times 3. Okay. All right, this should be the last problem you have to complete. Finish this data table, copy this data table, and finish it in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. All right. 3 parts red paint to 1 part white paint. So if there's only 1 red, you need 1/3 of white. Okay, this number needs to be 3 times bigger than this one, so 9 and 15. This number needs to be 3 times smaller than this number, so 10. This number needs to be 3 times bigger than this one, so 60. This number needs to be 3 times smaller than this one, so 50. Okay. That's it for this video. The last thing you need to do is go to Google Classrooms, click on the period that you have me, click on Math Level 6 Equivalent Ratio Video Questions, open it. There will be a file posted in there, and then you'll edit it and then click Turn In. All right, that is it for this video. I will see you next time.